Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite Creative. This mode empowers you to become a game designer within the Fortnite universe. You can craft anything from intricate obstacle courses to massive battle arenas, limited only by your imagination. It's a fantastic way to express your creativity and share your unique visions with a global community of millions of players. Get ready to build, innovate, and play in entirely new ways. To begin your creative journey, simply navigate to the main Fortnite lobby. From there, select the Creative option, which will transport you to the Creative Hub. Here, you have several choices. You can start a brand new island from scratch, explore a vast array of community-made maps, or even join friends on their own unique creations. It's your gateway to endless possibilities. Once on your island, the phone tool is your primary interface for creation. With it, you can access a comprehensive inventory of building materials, various devices, and decorative props. You're able to place structures, sculpt the terrain, and integrate interactive elements like triggers and spawners. Don't forget to experiment with game rules, scoring systems, and even player abilities to craft truly unique experiences. After pouring your heart into your island, it's time to share it with the world. You can publish your completed creation, making it accessible to the entire Fortnite community. Upon publishing, you'll receive a unique island code, a simple way for others to find and play your map. Remember to promote your work through social media and other community platforms to attract more players to your amazing creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.